Usually I do much longer videos about energy updates and forecasting and all that good stuff. And a lot of the newsy news, psychic weigh-in things that I could do, like that usually like gets left by the wayside. And Spirit Team wants me to begin to do a little bit more of that. And so like I keep a list of like the events that happen, and I'm just going to kind of sit here and have Spirit Team flash me the event and then give the psychic read on it. And usually I just put this on the screen as far as text, but I do need to say this aloud that this video here is for entertainment purposes only, and it does not reflect any kind of opinion, and you can just take it for what you will. Woo! All right. And so the first one, I pendulum checked this and I looked it up, and that is that car that blew up in New York City. I think it was at the end of last week. It was right near Wall Street. And there were some things that it was potentially connected to. It's like there's a workers' strike or some sort of workers' transit strike, I think, going on down in that vicinity of the city. Like I heard some scuttlebutt about that. And then, of course, you see the dramatic image of the explosion going off. So the thing that Spirit Team wants us to know is that what happened there in that image, I can very clearly hear them say things are not as they seem. And I think we kind of know that because we got told, oh, it's just a car that blew up. There's just an electric car that blew up. And the Spirit Team was like, oh no, it was a lot more than that. They're not allowing me to say what it was, but what it was and what we were told are two different things. They are telling me it was premeditated. That was a statement. And what that was and what is connected to the information is not being allowed to come out about it. So on that topic, that's what I can tell you. Okay. Now I am being flashed an image of, this is a heavy one, Ozempic. And all of the actresses who are now in this trend of like, we're now seeing that whole emaciated fashion trend again, which is super disturbing. And like, okay, let me just kind of tune in and so the actresses who are participating in that, a good majority of them are not necessarily doing that at will. There are some requests happening that they do that. And some of them, they're being coerced into it. It's like there are certain people have certain information on this, so they are being coerced into that. So like what we are seeing about the Ozempic trend happening right now in these emaciated actresses and musicians and like these females at the forefront, again, Spirit Team is saying it is not all that it seems. And so this trend is like a very premeditated trend. It's a very premeditated trend to put that out in front of the public eye and, influence and get certain people to begin to feel a certain way about their weight. I mean, it's cultural weaponization is what it is. That is a cultural weaponization movement that's happening right there. And that's all that I can say right there. Like Spirit Team is not allowing me to say anything else. All right. So like next. All right. This is one that I saw that I picked up on that they're wanting me to mention. And that is if you have watched footage of the IDF detaining flotilla participants, international flotilla participants, the most recent one that tried to get through to Palestinians in Gaza. If you saw the footage of the actions the IDF were taking to detain flotilla volunteer participants, doesn't that, I'm just going to ask you the question, doesn't that look an awful lot like the footage we see of a certain participants in a certain organization here in the United States trying to do certain things with the immigrant population? So I'm going to put that out there as a soft-sided hit of like, oh my God, like imprint, same thing, different uniform, same thing, cause for deep, deep concern. that is as far as my spirit team will let me go on this. I do hope to begin to pick up the pendulum and do some very specific timing work with some of the things that we have going on so we know what we can anticipate. But those are things my spirit team wants me to put out there to confirm, and that is what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here. Make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way, and I will see you in my next video.